Hi guys, it's me, and I do have a couple boxes for you, but I had to let the girls have their fun, get everything out of their system, and then it was my turn. So why do I look like this? Well, because I'm sure Sassy explained to you, Miss Insomnia over here has pretty much been kicking our butt. Anyhow, yesterday I got my American Influencer bundle. So let's go ahead and check this bad boy out, okay? This is the American Influencer bundle for January 2022. Comes in that really pretty glittery pink box. There's the inside that says be strong, be beautiful, be you. And then you kind of, there's your little sneak peek. I know, you can't see anything. Anyway, you do get a card. And this one is $35 a month. You do get a card. On the back of the card, it will explain everything that's inside, along with a description and a price, basically like Boxy. Now, American Influencer, the beauty bundle that is now month to month, it is all one brand. They have had, like, I believe they did this in December, where it was the best of 2021. And so she picked all of the best products. So you'll get a mixture of products, different brands. But for the most part, they're all kind of like it's not like a takeover box. So I don't have the entire value for you. I will add that up. Don't worry about it. You're going to see that at the end of the video. Okay, so the first item that we have is the Niacinamide Cleansing Gelee, 3%, or is it 3? Yeah, 3%. It is a very big bottle. This looks a lot like, you know, like the gel after sun gel. That's kind of what this looks like. So it does have looks like there's like oxygenated bubbles inside. I don't know. You probably can't see it because of the light. But it is like I said, it is a big bottle. It's 7.1 fluid ounces, 210 milliliters. And this is the niacinamide 3% plus hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So you're getting the best of, what is it, 3 products all in one. Well, you have your niacinamide, you have your hyaluronic acid, and your vitamin C. Like I said, 3 items. So you're getting the best in one bottle. Now one comes in at $18. One innovative essence-like gel cleanser formulated with a clinical level of niacinamide gently dissolves makeup, oil, and other impurities while targeting the look of dark spots and uneven texture. And Lord Almighty, I could definitely use help there. This cleanser leaves the skin feeling softer, smoother, and more balanced. Can be used on dry or damp skin. And then there's that. Okay, and then we have the vitamin C complex serum. That's this right here. This one comes in at $20. This one is the most expensive out of the entire box. Now, the one thing I will say is that they do have that pull tab right there. You know, it's kind of like a zip tab to get into the box. It reminds me of, is it About Face? I believe that is Halsey's brand that has that pull tab. Anyhow, our potent serum is formulated with a vitamin C complex of high stabilized isosorbic acid, sodium, okay, whatever, and bioactive fruit blend that helps brighten and shield skin from environmental stressors for a healthier, more youthful looking complexion. Our proprietary vitamin C complex amplifies the effectiveness of isosorbic acid and sodium phosphate ascorbyl phosphate while allowing it to function in a non-irritating pH environment. This is a little guy, you can't see in it. It is a pump, which is nice. I don't want to extend that pump out just in case. I wanted to try this yesterday when I did my skincare, but I wanted to show you guys first. But I will say this, I am really interested in this skincare line here. Okay, and then the next one we have is the BHA Liquid Exfoliant, 2%. Our leave-on exfoliant is formulated with an efficacious level of encapsulated salicylic acid and bioactive fruit acids that unclog pores, even skin tone, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles for a healthier, more radiant looking complexion. I did not look at the ones that were in boxes. The only thing I did was read and make sure everything, nothing was leaking, broken, or anything like that, that it all came in good condition. Other than that, I did not look at the bottles. And this is actually really nice. This is a pretty decent sized bottle. And it looks like it's got the little pump, or nope, it just has the little spout. So there's that for $18. Like I said, I am really excited about a lot of this stuff. I am excited to try this, like go all the way from cleansing to the very end, your last step. So we'll see. And then we have the Niacinamide Serum, 12% plus Zinc at 2%. That is this one right here. Our concentrated serum is formulated with pure 12% niacinamide and 2% zinc PCA that helps improve uneven skin tone and visually minimizes the look of pores, skin texture, and fine lines. So there's one important thing when you're reading a description or something that is telling you what a product does, basically. It really is the description. When it says that it's helping the look of, it isn't curing fine lines, it isn't curing wrinkles. It's helping it not look like they're as much and as, in your face. Wow, those two just do not go together. But you know what I mean? It's trying to allow when someone looks at you or you look in the mirror that is not what you're seeing dominant. Anyhow, another pump. This one is another pump, which is nice. Kind of controls how much you put on your face, which I do like, because sometimes if you don't have them like that, they will, or you can overuse them, use too much. That one came in at $16. And then we have the Multi-Peptide Moisturizer, and that is this one here. And it says our nutrient-dense moisturizer is formulated with our multi-peptide blend, encapsulated ethylated vitamin C and panthenol to target the look. Of fine lines and wrinkles for more youthful looking complexion. In other words, they can't cure fine lines and they cannot cure wrinkles. Now you can help them not look as, as much, but you can't cure them. You can slow them down and you can help the skin and the cells underneath plump so that it doesn't look like, you know what I'm saying. I'm at a total loss for words when it comes to what I'm trying to say in the description for that one. But this one also is a pump. And then last but not least is the Phyto-Glow Lip Balm. That is this one right here for $12. Our intensely nourishing lip balm is formulated with phyto, or I don't know if it's phyto or I think it's phyto. If it's phyto-derived esters, shea, kapuku butter, and plant squalane to cushion lips, leaving them silky, soft, and smooth, and it adds a glow finish to long-lasting moisture. This one has a really nice tip on it, the application tip. I didn't use it only because I have a cold sore, which is why I'm not wearing any lip. I didn't put any lipstick or anything like that on. I just have the lip balm. But this one, when I did take a look at it yesterday, I do really like the applicator on it. Like the other ones all have the pump. This one has this. So that you kind of, get as much as you need without overdoing it and adding too much product. So that's everything, you guys. There is this one here, which is the Phyto-Glow Lip Balm for $12. And then we had, let's see, which one is this over here? This is the Multi-Peptide Moisturizer. This one came in at $19. And then there was the Niacinamide Serum 12% plus Zinc at 2%. So like I said, I'm looking forward to using these as one entire process, from cleansing all the way through to the my last skincare step. Because I mean, they're not that expensive. And if they work really good, you know, at least I know that I can, whichever one I run out of, I can replace it without breaking the bank. And then this one is the BHA Liquid Exfoliant 2%. Exfoliates, helps unclog pores, smooths uneven texture, and it brightens. So basically kind of like a toner, but it's an exfoliator. I mean, it's not, but you don't have to rinse it off like a toner. You don't have to rinse it off. And then the Vitamin C Complex Serum that brightens, helps firm, and imparts overall glow. Now this is the one that I was starting to explain, that it does help things not look as, oh, I hate to use the word bad, but not, you know, so you don't look as, it's not as dominant, it's not as and saying in your face doesn't work either, but you guys know, you understand what I'm talking about, right? This one has vitamin C complex plus hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So the one good thing about all of these products is that they did add the hyaluronic acid, they did add the vitamin E and the vitamin C on the BHA liquid. Now, you do know that BHA and AHA, one is an alpha, the other is a beta. Is it beta? Yeah. So just letting you know, read up on those, because they do, one is for oily skin, one is for dry. And then the last one is the Niacinamide Cleansing Gelee, 3% with niacinamide, 3% plus hyaluronic acid and the vitamin C. And that one there is the cleanser. So what is our total for everything, you ask? Well, I'm glad that you did ask, okay? Because the total's going to be right there. All right, you guys, that is everything for the American Influencer Beauty Bundle for January 2022. I hope you guys have an absolute wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time of the day it is in your area of the world. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.